You probably spend time watching videos on your phone or computer just for entertainment or simply to pass time. But what if I tell you that you can watch videos and earn money at the same time? As a result of this pandemic, people are confined to their homes, and hence the rate of people seeking entertainment through watching videos has gone high. So far, YouTube is making good returns even as people turn to the platform for entertainment. How amazing it would be to realize that you can get paid to watch videos. And yeah, you just got it right. You can watch similar videos you love, such as YouTube videos, movies, ads, and get paid in the process. I'm pretty sure you're excited to find out how you can start earning online by watching videos. Well, be sure to watch this video till the end to find out. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how to make money online by watching videos. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on any of our videos. So, let's get on with the video. With technology growing at a lightning speed, a lot of ways are emerging to help people earn money while working from home. And one means of making money online while working at home that has gotten the attention of many younger generations is earning by watching videos. It is indeed amazing that you can be entertained at the same time earning. All you need is a laptop or computer and an internet connection to get you started with earning online. But you can even do this with a phone with a strong internet connection. Indeed, making money online has never been this better. Now, why should you choose to use this method over several others that exist out there? Well, the method we're going to use in this video to earn money has several advantages that make it stand out. Keep watching to find out. But before that, I'm pretty sure you're wondering what kind of method it is that we're going to use in this video. Well, we are going to use Ysense, which previously appeared as Ysense. Now, the first advantage of this method is that it is very credible. Unlike many sites out there which are mere scams promising to help you earn, but end up wasting your time, Ysense will surely surprise you because it is reliable. It has been in existence for over a decade and has cashed out over $34 million to thousands of people on its platform. It is much trusted by online users and has the Alexa ranking falling in the top 8,000 most popular websites. Another advantage of Ysense websites is that it is available worldwide and can be accessed by users across the globe. Many GPT, that's get paid to websites, are only limited to particular regions in the world, and that is a problem that Ysense has solved. And finally, this method has an easy cash out platform that allows you to get paid easily. It worries many people when they have money virtually and they find it difficult getting their money after all the hard work. But with Ysense, you can cash out easily starting from $10. It also supports several payment methods such as Skrill, Payoneer, PayPal, among others. Now, let's take a look at the step-to-step process of starting on this method. Just be sure to stay tuned till the end, because if you miss even one step, you won't be able to earn through this method. Go on to Google and search Ysense and click to open the Ysense website. Sign up for a Ysense account on their website. You'll receive an email with a link requiring you to validate your account. Click the validation link in the email, and you'll be redirected to the Ysense login page. Once logged in, follow all instructions to complete your account creation. Just be sure to offer valid information to prevent your account from being closed. That is just a security measure to keep scammers out of the site and maintain their credibility. You can now go ahead and update all your information. Also, be sure to complete your survey profile if you are intending to get some survey gigs in the future. The next step will be updating your profile information from the main menu. Keep everything accurate and remember to set up your payment method. Choose from the provided method of payment that best works for you. Ysense currently allows payment through PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, and Tango. Once your payment method is set up, you can withdraw your money once you hit $10. But before that, let's see how to start earning while watching videos on this platform. Now that we've got the account up and running, keep watching to learn how to start making money on the Ysense platform. Now, go to the Offers menu and choose Ysense Watch. Here you'll find a variety of videos ranging from weekly entertainment content to sports and viral clips, entrepreneurial tips, and more content on almost every life interest. Once you're into the Ysense Watch platform, you'll see available channels that you could choose from along with the pay available for viewing that content. Go ahead and choose the channel that seems interesting to you. Now, before you can go ahead with watching, you'll need to enable pop-ups from observer.ysense.com. That's what will enable you to earn by watching. Otherwise, you won't be able to earn rewards on Ysense Watch. So, how do you enable the pop-ups? With your computer, open Chrome. Find a page that the pop-ups blocked for you. And in the address bar, click Pop-up Block. Then click the link to the pop-up window you'd like to see. To always see pop-ups for the selected site, choose Always Show Pop-ups from Site and you are done. With pop-ups enabled, you'll be directed to another site where the video will now play, and you can now go ahead with watching the selected video content. However, you must keep in mind the exact duration required for you to stay on the site and the exact steps you need to take to complete the process to be rewarded. All the directions are found on the observer.ysense.com page. There's a timer there that tells you exactly how long you need to remain on the content. At the moment the timer on the page reaches 0000, you'll be able to click to the next page button. Once done with the content, click Next to get to the next content. So that is the process. You'll be visiting the suggested content pages and go through all the steps required by ensuring you remain on the content for the required period to earn. And the moment you complete the steps, your reward will automatically be credited to your Ysense account. Now, to keep track of your earnings, you'll have to visit the transaction history menu and you can find it enclosed under the other type of earnings. Now, the main advantage of this method of earning while watching videos is that there is no limit on the number of videos you can watch. Just watch as many as can interest you, and once you complete the available videos, you can return to your account later to get newer content. The site is regularly updated, so you can be sure of regular gigs to earn you some money. Even though the earnings per video card are low, it is a sure way to start your earnings by doing what you enjoy. You'll be able to make 2 to 3 cents per each video card you complete. Just be sure to complete all the required 7 to 10 steps to enable you to receive your reward instantly. Your efforts will help you earn more on this platform. The more videos you watch, the more you get paid, and the amount can rise beyond $26. However, besides watching videos, you can also earn on the Ysense platform by engaging in some other simple tasks like taking surveys, playing games, as well as referring to your friends. It will surprise you that by sparing your 5 minutes on a survey, you can earn $100. What are you waiting to start earning? This is the right time to try this method. So, that was it for today, guys. Earn $26 every 5 minutes watching videos. And from the video, we've realized that it's quite easy to earn extra money by just being entertained watching videos. You only need to create a Ysense account and voila, you'll be up to start earning while watching videos. If you ever tried this method to make extra money in your free time, let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed watching this video,